Hi, good morning, folks. Welcome to Points App and welcome to pre-market analysis. So let's try to go ahead and analyze few pivotal data points out there in the market, and let's kickstart our day ahead. So to start off with, let's see where SGX Nifty is quoting right now. So SGX Nifty is quoting flat, totally flat. It is quoting at 18,689, just positive by what 18 points. So it is absolutely flat. So we might expect markets to give a flat opening out here. So now talking about what happened yesterday. So let's go to index contributor. Over here, we will get to see what happened yesterday. So see, Nifty slipped by 100 points and closed at 18,670. HUL, L&T, Asian Paints, ITC. So more of capital goods and FMCG were in focus yesterday. So talking about the sectorial contribution made, see just FMCG and capital goods. Except these two sectors, rest all the sectors dragged the index down yesterday. So now, if we see the sectorial built-ups as well, so the entire sectorial built-ups, only capital goods and FMCG, only these two sectors as a whole witnessed a long built-up. Rest majority of the sectors, they either witnessed a short or long unwinding. So we saw a negative price action happening yesterday in a lot of sectors, specifically realty, fertilizer is where the heat is wherein a lot of shorts were getting created. So now if we just check the historical build-ups of Nifty, so a lot of greens, a lot of longs, few dips, owed to long unwindings. Then yesterday there was a day wherein it witnessed a short build-up. However, if you see it, the quantum of the short is very small. That tells us one simple thing, that okay, this may not be a right time to participate, either on long or either on short side. So maybe at this particular level, you should just stay on the sidelines and just what is going around in the market. Okay, you necessarily may not participate in this move because there are a lot of longs. The strength is still intact, okay, on the long side, but one shot, that too with a small quantum, in this type of situation you can simply avoid trading and just observe what is going around in the market. Now if we talk about the options open interest data, so now this again gives you a forecast therein a lot of calls are getting added. So just see this, a lot of call writings happening on the upper strike, and put writers also unwinding from 18,600 put. So if we see a lot of puts getting unwinded, continuous unwindings of puts from here, from these levels, and a lot of calls getting added along with a short built up, okay, along with a follow-up short built up, then we might see a down move happening in Nifty. Okay, so with Nifty the conclusion is right now not immediately at the opening itself, we want more shorts to get formed in Nifty. Second thing what we can observe is the open interest changes. We see a lot of call writers dominating and put writers unwinding, which might lead to a down move happening in Nifty. Talking about pivotal levels on chart in Nifty front. So now, so let's just close this and not a simple pivot. Okay. So now this is where Nifty might end up taking support somewhere around this level. This is the very important level for Nifty, which is 18,600. So till this is not broken, I would say no trade zone in Nifty is something what it looks like, because not a lot of clean trend is getting formed in Nifty. Coming to Bank Nifty, so Bank Nifty also sees similar thing wherein not a lot of participation happening recently. A lot of unwindings happening in Bank Nifty over here, so not a lot of participation happening. Again, that also gives us an instinct that we can simply stay on the sidelines and watch it, and see a lot of call writers getting accumulated. Heaviest put stands at 43,000. So a tight range in which the market is expecting Bank Nifty to move. Now talking about the chart of Bank Nifty, so it looks similar to Nifty though. So just see in Bank Nifty as well, nothing happening in Bank Nifty these days. So just wait for either this high to get broken or this high to get broke, or this low to get broken. Only then we might see a good move happening in Bank Nifty on either of the side. Coming to the stocks of the day, so our first pick would be Petronet. So just look at Petronet. It sees a lot of longs with tips out to long unwindings. You check the absolute OI. the quantum is also significant, so not a lot to worry about. So Petronet is the first pick for the day. Now if we see the open interest data, so in Petronet, the options OI data, the highest call is directly placed at 220. So the stock might still have some room to move in the upwards direction. Coming to our second pick of the day, which is Hindustan Unilever. Okay, FMCG space, say Hindustan Unilever. So see, this things explains a lot of longs, dips out to long unwindings, exhibits strength and gives you confidence. So this is our first pick for the day. Now, if you just see Hindustan Unilever's options OI data, so it is really interesting. Hindustan Unilever has surpassed its highest call strike, right? It has breaked out its highest call and huge puts were added yesterday. So in yesterday's session, 1,37,000 puts were added and just 13,800 calls were added. So, the moment we see more unwindings happening on 27,700 strike price call option, we might see a good move happening in Hindustan Unilever. Even on chart, HUL looks very promising. So if I just open HUL chart over here, so see, it looks promising, wherein from the current level, it might still give up move till this level 27862790, and on the downside, this is the level where the support stands at. So that is the second stock for the day. Now coming to the ban list. So GNFC, PNB and IBUL Housing Finance are in ban. IBUL Housing Finance might take an exit. So yes, folks, that was it from the pre-market analysis in Nifty and Bank Nifty. You can try to avoid it or just wait for pivotal levels to get triggered. Number one. Number two, in Nifty front, see for a lot of shorts getting added and huge call writings and unwindings and put if you are going short on Nifty. On the other hand, you can observe multiple data points. Today being an expiry day, you can observe tools such as option gain, and also you can, for intraday movements, you can observe charts, order and trade to capture those fast moves happening. Other than that, if you want to stay on the sidelines, then today is the day. You can simply avoid to kind of form any trade in the market. Yes, folks, that was it from my side. Thank you so much for joining me up till here. I hope you have a happy trading session ahead. Thank you. Bye bye. And